Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add custom token on Metamask. It's really fast and easy, and let me show how. So what you need to do here is to hover your mouse until you see add token, and then go on bccscan.com and look for the token that you want to add. So in this case it's Shiba Inu, and first copy the contract ID here. It's already added, as you can see here, but never mind. And then symbol, so you can name it whatever you want, and then as you can see here there is decimals 18. Put 18 and then press next, and you will add token here. And sometimes on Ethereum network also you can, as you can see here, if you are on Ethereum mainnet, you can add token and you can look for search. So for example, Binance coin, right, or Binance USD, and you can add just basically searching here. But if you cannot search, then you need to have contract ID, decimals, and then and simply add token manually by pressing add tokens. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.